Tesla CEO Elon Musk has praised Tesla Gigafactory Texas, Giga Texas, saying great progress. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. You're watching a video from our friend Joe Tegtmeyer, and you can see how well the progress is moving ahead with Tesla Gigafactory Texas. And recently, actually I think it was yesterday, Tesla CEO Elon Musk commented on the Austin Tesla Club, saying, actually it was on November 1, saying Tesla Texas team is making great progress. Giga Texas factory will be an ass kicker, he said. I don't like that word, but that's what he said. Merano reports on Teslarati.com saying Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently praised the Tesla Texas team working on the Austin Gigafactory in a recent tweet. Based on videos from our friend Joe Tegtmeyer at Giga Texas progress, Tesla seems to be really moving along with this construction right on schedule. He said Tesla Texas team is making great progress, and Giga basically said that Gigafactory will be a great place to work, but he used different word that I just mentioned above, with which I do not agree. Musk replied to a tweet from the Austin Tesla Club, who shared a photo of the construction site. Each new Gigafactory has developed its own special defining trait. Even the one that are in the middle of construction, and Giga Texas is no different. For example, you know the defining trait of Gigafactory Berlin, Giga Berlin, you know the specifics of it. We have been reporting at this channel several times a week, and now Giga Texas seems to have its own defining trait. Giga Shanghai became known for its speed and the quality of its vehicles. Tesla factory in Berlin, like I said, will have extremely advanced technology, paint shop, next generation paint shop, which Tesla CEO Elon Musk seems very excited to see in action. Giga Texas will probably be known for two notable traits. First, it will most likely have the most beautiful Gigafactory grounds. After announcing the location of Tesla's next Gigafactory in the United States, Musk shared that parts of the Giga Texas complex will be an ecologically beautiful place and open to the public. The public could visit. There will be ponds and things like that. Giga Texas's second notable trait would be its production of the Cybertruck. If the vehicle proves successful, there is a good chance that Tesla's other facilities may also manufacture the all-electric pickup Cybertruck, and there is an equally good chance that the truck could be produced for a very long time at the Gigafactory Texas, but the factory in Austin will always be Tesla's first Cybertruck production line. Merano, Teslarati also says that Elon Musk shared that Tesla made some minor tweaks to the Cybertruck. By the way, we reported yesterday on that before production starts at Giga Texas. During the Q3 earnings call, Musk said that the Cybertruck's production depends on a lot of Giga Texas completion, making his recent praise even more newsworthy, saying like the Cybertruck going to be made in Austin, so it's kind of dependent on completing that factory. So the sooner Tesla completes Giga Texas, the sooner Cybertruck will be made. Elon Musk also added, saying that, and there are obviously new technologies with the high hardness kind of armored exoskeleton, he said. The Cybertruck's design has received a polarized reaction so far. The Tesla all-electric truck's stainless steel exoskeleton allows the vehicle to have a unique take on the traditional pickup. Musk has noted in the past that the Tesla Cybertruck's origami-like approach in making the exoskeleton may be one of the difficulties Tesla has to face during the EV pickups production. Here's what he said. It's never been done before, so there is probably by some challenges along the way, and obviously something that extremely high hardness and difficult to scratch on dent is also difficult to form. So there is manufacturing challenges there. That's why it's so cleaner, Elon Musk said during during the last earnings call. Merano from Teslarati also reports that based on Elon Musk's Cybertruck's updates on Twitter, though, the Tesla team has been working continuously on the electric vehicle pickup truck's design since its unveiling last November. Thanks to Tesla experience with the Model 3's production hell, by the way, I don't like that phrase either, the production difficulty, they can say. The company is well aware that Tesla Cybertruck's final design will likely determine how challenging its production ramp will be. The Tesla team's constant work on refining the details of the Cybertruck's design hints that the company is doing everything in its power to make sure the production of its first electric vehicle pickup goes by smoothly. So friends, let me know what your thoughts are about Giga Texas and the Cybertruck's production possibilities. In fact, yesterday Elon Musk will learn that Cybertrucks will come with some changes, and that we will learn about those changes by the end of December, hopefully. Let me know what your thoughts are about all these developments, and in the meantime, let's continue watching Joe Tegtmeyer's video. Thank you, Joe, for all these video materials that you provide and share with Torque News, and let's continue watching. And in the meantime, this is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. Everyone, have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you. Take good care of each other. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news, and I'll see you in our next report. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and peace be with all of you.